let me walk you through how I made this Afrobeat right after the intro. Yo, the name is BEATZ. I stay the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright, so guys, I started with this chord progression with a tempo of 100 BPM. Let's listen to the chord progression first. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Alright, so right after that, I added this. Okay, so let's add the two. Okay, so the next thing I added was this. Let's listen to it. Okay, so I'm gonna add a 3. Okay, sorry for the CPU disturbing. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you. Alright, so the next thing I added was this. Okay, so I'm gonna add them. Alright, so right after that, I was a little bit okay with the melody and the chord progression, so I just brought in this shaker loop. Let's listen. Very simple, so let's add it to the rest. Then I introduced this loops from OY Production. Big shout out to OY for producing such an amazing loop. So this was the loop, drum loop. Let's listen. Very simple, guys, so I'm gonna add it. Enjoy. Okay, so right after that I added the bass. Okay, okay, so guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. If you want to know how to develop chord progression, make sure you watch the next video. Okay, there's a video. Watch this video. Okay, the next video here, stick to it and watch the next video. Okay, so click on the video that will appear on this screen to watch how to develop chord progression. Very simple, guys. So everything sounds like this. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is BEATZ. Still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Alright, so enjoy.